Many people worry that 36 is too late to start investing. But as you can see on our timeline, the future holds significant potential.
Links. Maybe you're looking at 36 and feeling like you've fallen behind. It's easy to worry, but your financial journey is far from over.
So this is the snapshot. The income is stable, but these expenses and the outstanding debt are clearly the priority right now. To gain control of your finances, start by creating a system. Divide your income into 3 buckets: controlled spending. Starting at 36, building that financial safety cushion is key. Even with unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills, your emergency fund protects you.
Reducing expensive debt can free up your future income, allowing you to focus on wealth building instead. The transition from financial survival toward financial stability happens as your savings grow and your debt shrinks.
Even starting small at 36, you can begin your investing journey. While there may be short-term volatility, the long-term growth potential remains strong. Long-term investing is less about predicting these market swings, and more about the repeatable process of consistent contributions and diversification. The key to successful investing is making it a habit, contributing regularly, regardless of market ups and downs. Market declines can test emotions. This is why long-term investors must understand volatility before investing. There is no guarantee of recovery. It's important to remember that short-term movements should always be viewed within a longer time horizon. This timeline illustrates that age 36 is just the beginning. With strategic investments, your savings symbols can grow substantially over the years. Time allows growth to build upon previous growth. The reinvested earnings, shown here as coins, help the plant reach its full potential over many years.
At 36, building wealth means focusing on increasing your earning potential through skills and smart investing, while actively avoiding. Increasing your income can accelerate wealth building, but only if spending does not rise at the same speed.
When your income rises, the temptation is to spend more. But by creating a barrier, you protect the gap and build real wealth. When creating a sustainable financial plan, it's crucial to find the right balance. By adjusting our flexible spending, we can prioritize.
Look at the power of time. Starting now at age 36 allows your investment to grow significantly. Waiting, the most important ingredient for building wealth, is time. Let your investments grow steadily over the years. As we reach age 40 on the timeline, you can see the portfolio is noticeably larger than it was at 36. This shows that 4 years of consistent.
As we can see at age 45, those consistent habits have allowed our investments to grow significantly, while the emergency fund is strong and debt is decreasing. As you approach 50, wealth building becomes much easier to manage once good systems are established, focusing on diversification while minimizing concentration risk.
Financial freedom means having choices, not just luxury. With smart investments, we move past the risks towards a life of flexibility and free time. Financial freedom means having choices, not just luxury. With smart investments, we move past the risks towards a life of flexibility and free time.
At 36, financial decisions should be based on clear goals, your time horizon, and a realistic assessment of risk tolerance. Diversification, highlighted here in yellow, helps spread risk. While there may be short-term bumps, staying invested long-term often leads to growth.
By analyzing his expenses, our friend realized that controlling lifestyle inflation was key. He cut unnecessary luxury.
Even starting at 36, the path is clear. First, achieve financial stability. Get that debt under control, then focus on consistent investing for long-term growth.
The starting point matters less than the decision to begin and continue saving over time. Look at how consistent, small financial actions, repeated year after year, build significant wealth over the long term.
Time is not the enemy at 36, but an asset that becomes valuable when paired with consistent financial action.
Regret over starting late should not prevent action today. Focus on savings, investing, and discipline to build your future.
Credit dependence, constant luxury purchases, low savings, recurring subscriptions, social comparison, expense. True financial success isn't about luxury symbols. It's about your savings, investments, and reaching your financial goals. It's about rejecting the illusion of wealth and embracing the disciplined path. Savings, investing, and patience are the keys to independence.
All content on Money Decoded is independently researched, written, narrated, and edited by this channel for educational purposes. This content is based on publicly available information and original analysis. It is not financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. Any third-party media used is licensed, royalty-free, used with permission, or included under applicable copyrights law for educational commentary and analysis.